2013 bike check. Yeah, let's get into this. Up front, ODI super soft grips. Running these a month and they're already tore through, so that really sucks. Odyssey par ends, really nice. 4 bars, got the Mutiny Glamroids. I don't know how tall they are, but I know they did come in 29 wide, but I cut them down to 27. Odyssey Sexton stem. Run this for a while now. 6 stem. For the headset, stock United one. My frame is the United. It's just the stock frame that came on the United SU3 2013 version, but my friend super glued this Nishiki like logo on it, so I guess that's cool. For the forks, I have the just stock forks. They're tapered, so pretty sweet. They're pretty beefy too. Not really complaining. Stock wheel. The hub rolls great. It's a really good hub. It's not named or anything. Just the stock spokes too. The front wheel though, or the rim, is actually Cinema. Right there, Cinema. Right there. For the cranks, I have the 3-piece stock cranks that United put on this bike. They're 48 spline 3-piece, so, and they're left-right compatible, so that's pretty sick. Stock bottom bracket. For the pedals, I'm running these are the stock pedals that came on here. I've been running them over a year. They're the E-Claw slash PC pedals. This side's bare because I was using that side to do levitators on. Pegs front and back are shadow pegs with the sleeves on them. The plastic slicker sleeves. So they've been holding up pretty good. Been doing quite a bit of fueling lately. Seat, kink, Sexton seat. Just the first version with the Colt seat post. Really liking it. Back wheel, Alienation free coaster, United Squad hub guard with the black sheep rim. Yeah, that's pretty sick. In the back, Odyssey hog tire 2.4, really sick. In the front too. Love these tires. Alright, flipping it around here, we have the stock sprocket. That's beyond dead. Need a new one soon. Odyssey Bluebird chain. Really digging it. The half link in there. Left side drive setup. So it's really sick. Yeah, that's everything, I think. So hope you guys liked the video. This is my bike. Pretty sick, I think. So like the video. If you guys want anything reviewed, just ask and I'll do one. I think I'm gonna review the tires though, probably soon, because they're so sweet. Alright guys, so see you later for now.